After job loss, your energy becomes a limited resource. Day 4 is about protection, so you can rebuild without collapsing. Today, pick one small place to reduce noise, like muting notifications for 2 hours. Then, take one slow breath in and a longer breath out 5 times. This is how you tell your body you are safe enough to think clearly. Protecting your energy is the first step towards staying optimistic. Some people will be supportive, and some will be noisy or reactive. When you are unemployed, your nervous system is already carrying extra weight, so too much input can pull you down fast. Today, decide who earns access to you for the next week. If a conversation leaves you tense, shorten it and step away without explaining. Try this simple line: "I'm focusing on staying steady right now, so I'm keeping things quiet." Protecting your energy is not selfish, it is necessary. Today is not about doing more. Today is about reducing emotional friction so steadiness returns. You do not need to solve your whole future in one day, and you do not need to prove anything to anyone. Pick one pressure point you can remove, even temporarily. Less news, less scrolling, fewer opinions. Replace that space with something stabilizing: water, a short walk, or 5 minutes outside. Small reductions create big relief. Less input, more steadiness. Choose 2 safe supports: people who can listen without fixing, judging, or panicking. A friend, a family member, a mentor, or someone grounded and steady. Write their names down so your brain doesn't have to search when you feel overwhelmed. Then send one simple message today: "I'm going through a transition, and I could use a steady check-in this week." You are not asking for solutions. You are asking for connection. These supports become your anchors for the next few weeks. Set one boundary today, because boundaries protect your nervous system. It can be small, simple, and kind. Write a short message like, "I appreciate you. I'm keeping things quiet for a few days while I reset." You do not need to defend it or explain your whole story. If someone pushes, repeat the same sentence and end the conversation. One clear boundary reduces emotional drain and helps you stay optimistic while you rebuild. Protect your morning, because the first hour sets your emotional baseline for the day. Avoid email, news, and social media right away. They can spike stress before you have any traction. Instead, drink water and do one calm routine before you look at a screen. Take a short walk, stretch, or sit in silence for 3 minutes. Then choose one priority for the day and write it down. A quiet start makes the rest of the day less reactive. Do 10 minutes of movement today. It does not need to be intense, and it does not need special equipment. Walk slowly, stretch, or do gentle mobility. Just keep your body in motion. Movement tells the brain the threat has passed and life is continuing. If motivation is low, set a timer for 5 minutes and promise yourself you can stop when it rings. Most of the time, you will keep going. This is a reset for your mood and your energy. Today's actions are simple, and simple is powerful when life feels uncertain. First, choose 2 safe supports and reach out to one of them. Second, set one boundary that reduces emotional drain. Third, do 10 minutes of movement to steady your body. If you want one extra step, write down one thing you will not do today, like doom scrolling or replaying the layoff in your head. Protecting your energy is how you protect your hope. Tomorrow is day 5, and we begin gentle direction without pressure. For today, your job is stability, not speed. Before you end the day, take 2 minutes and jot down what felt even slightly calming. Quiet time, a supportive person, movement, or a boundary that worked. That list becomes your personal protection plan. Then pick one small thing you will do tomorrow morning to keep that steadiness. Little patterns create momentum. Protection is part of progress. When your energy is stable, your future becomes clearer and your decisions get easier. Today, keep it small. One support, one boundary, one 10-minute reset. If heavy feelings show up, do not argue with them. Shift to a simple action, like breathing out slowly or stepping outside. You are building steadiness, not perfection. Stay optimistic by protecting what fuels you. Join us in the next video for Day 5, Direction Without Pressure.